Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 168. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 8. 8 covering both of these boxes, so 1, 2. 8 and 2 here means this is our 1, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. And I don't see any help. Up. We do have a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 9. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this bottom row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.